We need to talk. In a world full of manual uploads, this tool can change everything.
If you're a business with a large product catalog and you have a shoppable widget on your website, you need to know this.
Manually uploading product information like titles, prices, images, it's slow, repetitive, and honestly, it can take all day. I've got the shortcut for you.
When you log in into your EmbedSocial account, you might see a pop-up like this one. Click on it to get started. Now here's an important note. The catalog file needs to be hosted online, typically on your website. So grab the URL for your XML file, like the one we're testing today, and paste it into the field provided. Before you hit confirm, choose the right locale and name your catalog. If needed, refresh the page after a few moments, and that's it. Your products are imported and ready to go. You're going to open the widget editor and click on the Links tab and choose Import Products from Google Merchant Store. If you've got one catalog, it'll auto-select. Otherwise, just pick the one you need. Your products will load automatically. Now, choose a product from the drop-down, click on the media where you want it, and tag it. To make sure everything's running smoothly, obviously test it out. Check if your product appears in the lightbox or under the media's product cards. And that's it.
Or late nights, or manual uploads.